Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at Aerodrome or AeroCoin, and as you can see here it has been going down with the market and it's not looking good. But again, I think the market itself is trying to get back. Even if we look at BTC, it has been trying to go up, so I think we may see a reversal soon, so that can happen anyways. And so in this video we look at Aerodrome itself and whether it can actually go up or whether it is still bullish in the long term or not. So first of all, let's look at some of the news that they have going on. So we have this guy Alexander on the Twitter. He has actually tweeted these on about BES, and it is a pretty big one, but I think overall this will give you an idea why the BES will perform in the future and why he is also a very bullish on BES. So that means whenever the BES performs, the Aerodrome will end up performing along with it because it is the biggest DEX on the Aerodrome or on the BES network. Anyways, again we have another tweet from this guy. As you can see here, he has actually tweeted this. So he says that we share 54% of the fees with token neat. So this is basically the other projects, I believe, and or the other networks you can say, or other dexes. But here we have neat, but metadexes redistribute 100% to the voters. He's talking about the fees, so this implies to Aerodrome as well. After that we have, but he says that other platform says that their fees go towards buyback, but with Aerodrome 30% of the voters compound plus lock AERO, and that AERO is actually locked I think up to 4 years, so that's pretty good. So they basically remove circulating supply, increasing demand in the future for the AERO coin itself. So basically he is bullish on MetaDex, which is Aerodrome and Velodrome, because of this mechanism. Anyways, after that we have another big thing. As you can see here, we have jc.base ETH. He is a builder on BES, and as you can see here, he says that BES will be 2x time faster than Solana with flash blocks. So that means this will happen in the future, and once it does, that means the demand for the BES will most likely increase, at least for the meme coins. And if you look at the meme coin section, we have Solana as well as BES at the top, so that's pretty good for the BES. So I think in the future it could actually overtake Solana on the meme section, so that could be massive as well. And again we have another big thing, and the Coinbase itself actually tweeting that and more on chain with Coinbase One. So basically this is their trial, or this is their subscription based service. And as you can see here, this uses BES. We have, it also uses Aerodrome. As you can see here, we have a demo, we have Moonwell and DeFi. So basically they are using these various projects inside BES as reward. So that's pretty good, and I think this does mean that even the Coinbase is supporting Aerodrome because it is a biggest tax on the on the BES. So I think that's pretty good for the Aerodrome itself in the future. After that we have a massive news. As you can see here, 1.8 million AERO has been acquired by PGF, part of a broader commitment to drive sustainable growth. So that means 30% of the protocol fees are regularly used to buy back and lock AERO via public goods, flight school, and relay. And as you can see here, to date these efforts have passed 100 million AERO, and this is a massive lock, as you can see here. So that's, I think, pretty big one, and the AERO buybacks have been going up, so that's pretty good overall, and it is a bullish for the Aerodrome in the future. Again, after that we have Coinbase CEO coming up planning to do more DeFi integrations with BES. So that means the BES integration will increase. Overall, the BES will grow and Aerodrome will have more volume to work with. So that's pretty good. After that, we have again a massive news for the Aerodrome. So basically, Coinbase Institutional added to their Coinbase index, Coinbase 50 index, where they have now Aerodrome, APT, Compound, they also have Pepe and WIF, so that's pretty good for the Aerodrome, and Aerodrome is at the top, so that's pretty good overall. And so now overall, looking at overall trend in the DeFi, the base has been going down, and I think that is mostly because of other chains gaining a lot of attraction, mainly Bera chain as well as Bitcoin. So both of these are increasing, so that could be one of the reasons why we have seen a massive fallout from the base, but still it is at the top. As you can see, it is ahead of Arbitrum, so that's pretty good. So it is on the first second layer, and that's pretty good overall. I think it will most likely recover once overall market does recover. Again, same for the Aerodrome, it has been struggling to keep up, and it has been going down ever since. So that means once overall market starts to recover, I think the Aerodrome will most likely recover. So I think this has to do with the market overall market conditions. So let's look at Aerodrome itself. As you can see here, where at the Aerodrome daily TVL, daily volume, it has been doing pretty good. Again, Aerodrome daily TVL, it has been going down, but it's still pretty good, and the fees have gone down significantly, and I think that has to do with overall market conditions. But overall, if we look at another thing, which is this is a log AERO supply. As you can see here, we have Aerodrome getting a lot of logs. As you can see here, on Epoch 67 we had over 14 million AERO coin logged, and again we also had a massive log of around 7.5 million, and as of now in the last week we had around 1.4 or 1.1, and in this week we have around 1 million. And I think there are a lot of buyers actually buying and locking the coin, because for those fees and for that additional income. But still, I think this seems to be a pretty good point to get into this coin, because if you look here, so if we just try to analyze what is happening with AERO coin, this whole zone, if you look here, so this zone has actually in the past has been used as support. As you can see, it actually hit 2.3, and after that it again came here and again went as high as $1, and again it came here and again it went as high as 2.4. and as of now I think we will see a lot of buying in this zone, which is basically around 44 to 40 cent, and I think we will most likely see a lot of buying happening here. And if the market does recover, I think the AERO can actually go as high as at least we can say that $1, or that is basically somewhere around 2x as of now. But I think so I will just draw these for you. So we have this resistance. I think if the market does recover, AERO will easily hit this point around $1, and if the market continues to go up, I think we can actually go most likely as high as 1.22, or even I think we can actually go as high as 1.3, which is a possibility if the market starts to recover. And if the market even goes up, we will most likely hit new all-time high for the AERO coin. But let's just say that market continues to go down and BTC tries to retest below 70k. I think we will most likely go below 30 cent if that happens. But we do have a pretty good support in between. I believe we have a pretty good support in between 37 to 30 cents, so we could actually retest at this zone, and I think it may actually end up going up from here if the market does go down. Anyways, this was it. I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.